You are not too broken. You're just not too honest. There's a difference. We all pretend to be perfect, but imperfection is what makes us human. It's okay to not be okay. But what's not okay is to keep pretending. Pretending to be something we're not is what keeps us stuck. And the only way to move forward is to be honest with ourselves first. Have you ever dared to question yourself not out of guilt, but to wake up your spirit? Am I truly honest or just conveniently silent? We've all been there. We see a married couple and we think, how madly in love. But behind closed doors, we don't know their story. Are they cheating their partner through action, thoughts, or maybe just neglect? How many of us are really sincere with our family? Just showing up to look right, but never really being there. How many of us cheat in business and call it a smart strategy? How many of us give to charity or just share posts about it? When was the last time we helped someone without expecting anything in return? I'm not asking these questions to make you feel guilty, but to help you take an honest look at yourself. Because real strength begins with truth. We all wear masks. Sometimes we're so good at hiding our imperfections that even we forget we're wearing them. We pretend to be perfect in front of our friends, our colleagues, our family, and even our own children. But who are we really? And what kind of person do we want to be? This channel, Healthy Habits Fit Life, is dedicated to helping you become the best version of yourself. I want you to ask yourself these tough questions because the answers will shape your soul. Ask yourself, am I a good son or just a busy one? Am I a good father or just a present one? How many of us put our own needs before our responsibilities? How many of us have given up on our dreams for someone else's? What part of me is still hiding behind performing? What version of me will my children remember? These questions may seem difficult to answer, but they're necessary if you want to grow. They'll help you discover the difference between being good and being great. It's time to stop pretending that everything is fine when it's not. Stop pretending to be perfect when you're not. Stop pretending to be strong when you're not. It's time to wake up. Wake up to your mistakes, your weaknesses, your flaws. Because only then can you begin to heal. Heal from your past, your traumas, your hurts. Only then can you become the person you were meant to be. So ask yourself these questions. Don't avoid, embrace them. Let them hurt. Let them challenge you. Let them change you. Follow and share my channel, Healthy Habits Fit Life, where real growth begins within.